Hello friends, it's me, Raphael. Look at this inside the box. What's inside? I have no idea. Let's find out and see. Hey, you cannot open. Here. Whoop. Let's see. That's great. I wonder what's inside. What? A shuttle! It's a blue shuttle! I wonder what's this? Blue. What's this? Wow! Look, friends! It's a Michael space shuttle! Wow! So cool! And here's a feather astronauts, space mission, and her rockets. Let's open it. I want it. Let's open it. There's so many rockets. Wow, isn't that cool? 3, 2, 1.
What do you call that?
I don't know, it's just a rocket. Here we got one. Oh, where really go? Does it look like here? I want to choose one. And then this is a okay. Cool. And here, you put the over vehicle here. And how?
How?
But, please,
Let me see.
when you put the over vehicle, look at Michael's space station. And her astronauts here, Mommy. It's a space shuttle! Cannot.
No, it should not be like that only. No, you cannot press that one. It's just will be like that.
Yeah. What? It's a space shuttle!
And then?
Then we're going to count to 5.
What is this?
It's the Michael space station. Okay? Let's see how it works to go here. Okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And they shouldn't have lift off. Lift off into anything. And then baby.
What is this? You tell them what they are.
Mommy, hey friends, what kind of spaceship is that? You're right, it's a space shuttle. Okay, let's put it back. The next rocket, what kind is?
What is that?
But that's 3. Let's see. Ding.
Okay, say bye to friend.
Bye,
We'll
friends.
play now.
We'll play now all this rocket.